In 2025, AI was the helpful intern. It could write an email, summarize a report, and create a perfectly acceptable, if slightly boring, image of a golden doodle. Nice kid, but you had to hold its hand. But 2026? That's when AI stops being your assistant and starts becoming your agent. It's getting a promotion, a corner office, and it's probably going to steal your favorite coffee mug. We're moving from a tool you use to a system that acts on its own. Why the big leap? Here are 8 hilarious and research-backed reasons why the AI of 2026 is about to get very, very real. Let's start with the simple stuff, then get into the sci-fi craziness. 1. Simple. The AI agent that actually acts. Remember the old way? Write a draft of the email. The new way is, find 20 leads who need a video editing service, personalize a pitch based on their last 3 tweets, email them, track replies, and schedule follow-up meetings without me ever logging in. This is what we call agentic AI. It doesn't just respond, it pursues a goal. It's the difference between asking your smart speaker for the weather and asking it to plan and book a romantic last-minute weekend getaway to Italy. And please make sure the hotel has an espresso machine because you know how I get. Frankly, an AI agent pursuing leads is still less scary than a human telemarketer. At least when the AI calls me, I know it's not going to ask how my day is going. It's just going to book the meeting and move on. Efficient. This is also where domain-specific models shine. A legal AI isn't wasting time writing poems, it's drafting a very serious, very boring compliance document. A healthcare AI isn't trying to draw cats, it's analyzing medical data and generating documentation. When AI can act directly on software and data, it becomes true digital labor. 2. Medium. Privacy, trust, and the robot revolution. Okay, now we move to the medium-level changes. The logistics of where and why AI is finally being trusted. Sending your super-secret company data to a big cloud server is like trying to whisper a secret in a stadium. It's risky. That's why 2026 is seeing a huge shift to on-device or sovereign AI. Think of it like this. Your phone is getting so smart that when you use a feature like smart replies or summarization, the sensitive processing happens right there on the device. Companies are also running their own private models inside their data centers. The best way to describe sovereign AI, it's like having a private chef for your data. No outsourcing. Everything stays in the corporate kitchen, guarded by a very serious, very large firewall. Your screen is no longer a cage for AI. Robots powered by these new language and vision models are leaving the warehouse and learning through observation, not programming. We're seeing robots that can sort objects, handle logistics, and yes, they're even learning skills by watching human demonstrations. This is called imitation learning. I saw a demo of a bipedal robot folding a fitted sheet perfectly. Honestly, that alone justifies the entire AI budget. Forget curing cancer, this is the real scientific breakthrough. The big takeaway? AI is leaving the laptop and moving into machines that interact with our physical, messy world. 3. Complex. The science of trust and light-speed chips. This is the deep end. The changes happening in the labs, the stuff that makes AI safe, fast, and ultimately useful for the highest stakes applications. In the past, AI was a black box. It gave you an answer, but not the reasoning. That's fine for recommending a movie, but terrible for medicine, law, or banking. In 2026, models are being designed with explainability features. They show their work. They tell you which data points influenced a decision and provide clear, audit-ready reasoning. This is crucial because regulators are demanding it. An explainable AI is like the teacher who makes you show your math homework. No more just writing the answer, 42. You have to demonstrate the steps, which is annoying for the AI, but great for our trust. AI used to rely almost entirely on expensive, powerful cloud GPUs, but that's changing with specialized chips. We're talking about neuromorphic chips, designed to function more like a biological brain. cutting power use dramatically, and even optical computing, which uses light instead of electricity to process data. This isn't just a technical detail. It means real-time reasoning and robotics become more practical because computing is getting exponentially faster and cheaper. Your phone or laptop can now run AI models offline. The old AI hardware was like a steam train, powerful but slow and needed tons of coal. The new hardware? It's a sleek electric sports car running on sunshine. 4. The future. Cheaper, greener, and way funnier AI. The final two reasons are about impact and sustainability, which will define the next decade. Training and running large models uses a shocking amount of electricity. Data centers could soon draw a massive share of national power, so companies are investing in hyper-efficient cooling systems and chips that do the same work for less energy. Honestly, the biggest winner from this push for efficiency is the planet, and also my electricity bill. Nobody likes a power-hungry robot, especially not a power-hungry robot that forgot to turn off the lights. This is the big economic shift. The cost of running AI models is dropping dramatically. When AI is affordable for a small business, a startup, or even a single content creator, automation explodes. Tasks like scheduling, data cleanup, and product design can now be automated without a massive budget. Faster, cheaper AI means more people can use it, which pushes adoption into every corner of the economy. The conclusion. The shift from 2025 to 2026 isn't hype. It's a transition from AI being a fancy calculator to AI becoming an independent worker. Humans set the goals, and AI handles the repetitive, goal-oriented work. 2025 showed us what AI could do. 2026 is when it officially starts doing the work itself. What do you think? Are you ready for your new AI coworker? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more interesting topics, check out the video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.